Mindy, awesome evening tonight. I think we're two peas in a pod. I've loved it. I loved it. So I wonder if you could just share a little bit about what your vision is around how technology can change fashion and really democratize opportunity for everyone and really change the narrative around disability and what fashion can do for all of us.
Absolutely. It's such an important point, Sally, because technology is something that there's so much room for growth as it relates to people with disabilities. The fact that we're still using a button and a buttonhole that was developed in the 13th century is almost impossible to get your head around. And that we are in a position that we can change that. Whether that's the technology that's utilized in the clothing or how we purchase clothing or where we purchase clothing. Thinking through the largest minority on our planet being people with disabilities, this is a consumer that we are not yet including in the mainstream conversation, and we can make that change happen.
Absolutely, we have to make that change. It's not about for profit or social enterprise or charity. It's how we bring all these things together. It's all about shared values. So looking ahead, I know you and I have a plan. So what's our plan?
Our plan is we're going to go on the road on Sally's Mustang, and we're going to get ready, James Corden, because you're going to be gone.
You have competition, mate. Absolutely, yeah, from a fellow Brit. But yeah, so we're going to do that. We're going to rock it. We're going to change the narrative. So what's your vision for 2030? Where will we be? How will technology have changed things?
I think utilizing and marrying technology and fashion and even in other industries to make products usable for people with disabilities. I hope by 2030, we're not even having this conversation because people with disabilities are just consumers and products are just made with the bandwidth to include everyone and every single body and the functionality of it.
Couldn't agree more. So inclusion is literally for everybody. It has to be embedded. It's not an afterthought, it's a must-have. Yeah. So that's it from us, isn't it? Yeah. Hey.